Okay, how to make a GIF from a video recording that you like. Okay, I'm going to choose this video here as an example. Pretty cool video, cool movement going on. That was quite nice, This is the image I particularly like, the movement in it. And there's the smoke going through her mouth, kind of reversing. That could work nicely. Okay, so how do I create a GIF? Well, screen2gif.com. This is the editor I'm going to use. Up here is the link, www.screen2gif.com. So first of all, need to download that. There's two downloads, an install version, and there's a no install one just in its folder. So download that. And just open it. Don't need to install it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to open that, double clicked on it. I'm going to pause that for a moment. It's coming up. I was going to pause it. Now, here it is now. So it's the recorder you want. That should come up in a minute. And here it is. Screen to GIF. You can move that around. It's transparent underneath. So I'm going to minimize away. I'm going to go back to the video, and I want to apply the right dimensions or thereabouts. That might do me actually. You can move it around. You can move I'm moving the width by the end, and I can move that down a bit. Okay. That'll do. I was going to say that'll do. Won't. I need that in a bit. So I'm just dragging that in. Okay, that's perfect. Right. That's the editor. Stop and record at the bottom. Inside, I want to get the video at the start, so press at the start or near enough, and I'm going to press record there first. No, I'm not. I'm going to press record on this first. No, wait, I'll press record on that, then move over and press record. Okay, perfect, and I'm going to press stop. Okay, that stopped, went off, and I think it's waiting for the editor now to come back in, or it'll be underneath this this tab. Let's have a look. Okay. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Screen to GIF editor, and the bottom left, preparing frames. I thought I'd done something wrong for a moment and accidentally deleted it all, but still there. And there they are. All the frames loading, applying overlay to frames. Okay, so it's down here at the bottom. I think 428 is the total count of frames. So if I play, that's another video playing, I think. Hang on. Oh dear. I'm going to pause it for a moment and sort this out. Right, just got rid of all the tabs. There was music playing in the background. Okay, so here we are back on the editor. So if I play back now, here, playback tab, and play, should run through the frames. This bit I particularly like. I like the colours. Make a nice GIF. This bit as well is promising, the smoke going through her mouth. It's like reverse editing. Looks like nothing's happening there because the frames are so similar. The smoke's going back through her mouth. Quite like that. I'm going to try that, I think. Okay, this is the end frame. Okay, let's pause this. Down, I keep missing it. Okay, and another bit. Another section here. Let's have a look at this. Right, I've clicked on that frame where it'll start. So let's have a look. Okay, so the smoke is going back through her mouth. So they've filmed it and they're reversing it. Okay, let's pause that. Pressing previous to go back the frames. As I recall, it was 409. There it is, 409. So, I'm going to use this for my example. So let's say I wanted to make a GIF of this girl, the smoke going back through her mouth. Just say right now, edit, we'll go to Edit, Tab. So let's click here. Delete all previous. I'm going to delete all previous frames. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Maybe take in a few seconds. Okay, done. Delete that one as well. If you want to delete that, yes. Right then. So let's go to here. That's the 8th frame. Want to move forward, so I'll have to go back to playback and then select next frame. Next. I want to delete the ones afterwards. It's done them as well. I don't know why. So let's now play back this remaining, this timeline. Okay, so that'll do me. I'm going to pause there, edit, that's all done. So where do I save? Save in the file section, save as, saving as file type GIF. I've already got a folder ready. Which one should I use? I'm going to set up another one. Go 3. And I'm going to call it number 1. Save. And encoder, saving now into the folder. Completed. Okay, great. Let's get rid of that. Do you want to exit? Yes. Demo 1, I put it in this folder. Okay, so that is now a GIF file. Dimensions and the size. Okay, let's click on this, double click on it. Okay, here it is, the GIF image. So that's not a video anymore, that's an image. Got my cursor in the bottom right. That's no big deal. Okay, looks quite nice.